Okay, hello everyone and good afternoon. How are you doing? Or you can stand here and say hello to everybody. Hello.
Hi.
I'm asking Shashwat, he wants to be here in my class or go to the back benchers. Nowadays, what he does, he goes to the back bench and through the mobile, he's attending the classes and chatting with you all. This is what he is doing these days. Yes. What he takes mobile, goes to another room, sits there and chats with all of you one by one like that. He has become a backbencher, huh? Sits behind and talks. Okay, fine. Welcome. And today, in fact, I did not prepare much about today, but we will see what we will do. Today is a very special day. But you will say, what is special about today? Yes, we are meeting in a class. This is special. But there is one thing that is very special. I will share my screen with you and then I will show you why it is special. Okay, so we are starting the session now. Okay, just 1 minute. I will share the screen. Today is a birthday of a very great person. He was born some 900 years back.
900, wow.
900 years back, there was a mathematician who was born on this very day. He is known more as a poet, more than the mathematician. He is known for his poetries. Can you imagine a mathematician who is known more for
I thought
his
it was a mathematician.
Okay, we'll talk about it. In India, he is very famous. All over the world, he is known for his poetry. And I will show you his picture. Can anybody guess who he is?
Rabindranath Tagore. Oh, your voice is cracking.
Yes, but Rabindranath Tagore was not a mathematician. He was a great man. He wrote many books. He was a writer, of course, yes, but he was not a mathematician. I'm talking about somebody. Maybe your parents would know about him if you tell them today is birthday of Umar Khayyam.
Umar Khayyam.
I wonder if
what's his
any
name?
one of you have heard of him, Omar Khayyam. But I am very sure each one of your parents will know them.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
We owe a lot to. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. So this is the purpose of my curiosity classes. So we know about these great personalities to whom we know a lot of progress in mathematics and science. So this guy was in Iran. Do you see this picture here?
Yes. Yes, sir.
He is the man.
Yes,
His
sir.
name is Umar Khayyam, and he is known more for his poetry than the mathematics.
Okay.
In India, long time back, there was a lot of, I will show you one video where you will see, he is this guy. Okay, I will share the screen. You can see, then we can talk a little about him, and then we go to our other work. It is kind of a paying tribute to him. And then, who will tell you about these great people? In school, they won't tell you at all. In school, we will not learn about them because somehow they think that talking about mathematics is useless. Talking about mathematicians is useless. They just make kids do mathematics sums and just addition, subtraction. The school is concentrated on that. But we want to know about mathematicians. We know about other tricks of mathematics. We want to have fun with mathematics and all this. So this gentleman, he was born in 1048. You see, 900 years before. And today, is his 973rd birthday. 973rd birthday today. What he did, what he is known for is he was an astronomer and he did a lot of astronomical work. He set up an observatory in Iran. And you know, like in India, we have our Hindu calendar. In Islam, they have their Islamic calendar. He was responsible for a calendar that is still used in Iran and some parts of Afghanistan, that he developed that time way back in 11th century. Now, if I ask you how many days are there in an year, how many you will tell me? You can mute yourself if you
65.
know there are more than, no, only unmute yourself if you know that you can tell me 2 digits after 365. 365 point how many? I don't know. I have read it, but if you know, tell me. There would be hardly any person who would know that. You see here what this on the screen. Can you see? 365.242198585 days. Can you imagine a person 973 years back, he calculated this. He was Omar Khayyam. Today, if you ask me, I have benefited most from these mathematicians. I am an engineer. I work with robots. I do a lot of stuff. But I don't know. If you ask me how many days, I would say 365 days. There is nothing wrong with you. You will also say 365. But when we learn about these mathematicians, we learn a lot of mathematics by itself. You see, this guy, Khayyam, measured the length of 1 year as 365 point, my goodness, this many days, which is remarkably accurate. It has been now. And what is the difference? Today, if we measure, it is this 365.21. This is the most we know about it. So anyway, this is the math. He did a lot of work in astronomy, and then he also did a lot of work on geometry. The Euclid did some work, but then he studied a lot of geometry and arithmetics. After that, you see this. Can you make any sense of it? You imagine 973 years back, they were doing this mathematics. What are we doing today? This is a famous math problem, Omar Khayyam and his binomial theorem. This is taught in college. College mathematics, they teach this. Okay, this is just I'm showing so that we know who we are talking about. Okay, so, and when we talk about his poetry, this is the book he wrote, the Rubaiyat of Omar Khayyam. This is one book he wrote, and this book nobody talked about much, but then there was a European, American, he came to Iran and he fell in love with this book. He translated this book in English, and then everybody was talking about Omar Khayyam. So he is a great man. If you find time, spend some time with, search for him, know little more about him. And I will show you a little video, a small video. You would see, we would watch that video together and we would know.
Sir, what was the book's name?
It is Rubaiyat, beta, Rubaiyat. There is a, when we write songs, ghazals, there is a specific pattern. Rubaiyat is a kind of ghazal where you finish your what you want to say in 4 lines. That's all. This is a specific kind of writing. And he started this. So now I will stop share. So, and one more. Today is a birthday of one more great guy. I will talk to him on Thursday because talking about this man, he is a Nobel laureate can you imagine a mathematician? Can you know? Do you know any mathematician who won a Nobel Prize? If you know, then unmute yourself and say. Do you know
Yes.
there is no?
But I don't know the name.
Okay. Okay, fine. Forget it, because you will never know the name of it, because there is no Nobel Prize for mathematics. You are mistaken. There is no Nobel Prize for mathematics. There is Nobel Prize for many things, but there is no Nobel Prize for mathematics. So when we talk to each other, we are talking about not only mathematics, but the world around mathematics, the world around us. So Nobel, they will never get, because there is no Nobel Prize at all. But do you know the mathematicians have won Nobel Prize for other lines? The guy I am talking to you, he won Nobel Prize for literature. A mathematician won the Nobel Prize for literature. I will show you his picture and we will talk more about him on this Thursday. Okay, 1 minute. I will show you his picture. I'll share the screen again here. He is a British mathematician. His name is Bernard Russell. He was born in 1872 and he is a great man. He did a lot of work on mathematics logic. He wrote many books. He studied in Cambridge and he was active in politics, and then he won a Nobel Prize for literature. He is a mathematician. He is known for his mathematics work, but he also wrote a book for which he got a Nobel Prize. We will talk about it later. But what I am telling you is, if you are interested, you can search about him. It is his name, Bernard Russell, and I will tell you more about him, but he did a lot of work on mathematics logic. So I will try to tell you more about mathematicians. You know, when we learn about mathematicians, then we will learn about their work also. You might get interested. Okay, then what this Russell guy did? Why we still talk about him? What did he do? Then we will talk about paradoxes. Then we will say, oh my goodness, there is a very big mathematics theory called Russell paradox. Then we will talk about that, that way. Okay, so we will put it to a halt. Happy birthday, Bernard Russell and Omar Khayyam. Thank you very much. See you again. Okay, now we talk about something else. So what we talk about, yesterday we left one problem. You remember, yesterday we were at some problem and we left it. So should we take it up, the last problem, the 51, where the dirham went? The missing dirham?
Yes. So could you just
Okay.
repeat what the problem was, because
No problem. I would,
that.
sure, I will do that. No big deal. I post everything in the WhatsApp group, so you can check there. But I will repeat it. Here is the question that we were discussing.
Yes, sir.
See, this question,
only
any question for that.
0.
No problem, Mother. You can watch here, or you can check the old videos also. I upload the videos. The King Kong video I already uploaded. I will send you the link. I think I have sent you the link in the WhatsApp. Okay. See, these kind of questions, they are not basically only for, what do you think mathematics is for? Doing sums? For that, calculator is there. Why would I do mathematics? If I have to only add the sums, deduct it, multiply it, divide it, there is this calculator for it. Why we need why I have to do mathematics? Why humans are better than computer is because we don't think in a serial manner. Computer thinks serially. We think like this. So this is why doing mathematics is not doing sums. First thing, you throw it out of their mind, whatever is schools and your parents or anybody has taught you. Mathematics is about thinking. Mathematics is about applying different thinking to one problem. So this problem, don't think it is a sums problem or plus minus addition problem. Okay. So here the situation is like this. there is a person, I lent 50 dirham to somebody. He borrowed from me 50 dirham. Okay, when I give 50 dirham, then he would return to me in installments. Okay, so when I lent this one to Abdul, one of my friend, he took 50. So what he did, he came one day and gave me what? Return the money, and he returned 20 dirhams. Okay, you can say 20 rupees he returned. So what I did here, write received 20. So how much is remaining? Remaining is 30. So I write here remaining 30. 30 he has to pay. Then next time he comes, he gives me 15. So I said, okay, I received 15. What he has to pay? He has to pay me 15. Why 15? Because see, 20 he has paid, 15 he has paid. So 35 already given. So 15 is remaining. I write 15 here. Anything wrong with that? It's okay. Now next day he comes and gives me 10 more. So 35 and 10. Now how much he has given? 45 he has given. So only 5 he has to give me more. I write 5 here and I wait for him to give me 5 more. He comes and gives me 5 more. I said, okay, 5 received. Thank you very much. Nothing is pending. You don't give me anything. And I add this. 20 he gave, 15 he gave, 10 he gave, and 5 he gave here. If I add all, it is 50, correct? And when I say how much he has to pay me, 0. Finish. This is clear. Now this much is gone. Now the problem is this, not that. The problem is here. And I don't want you to do any calculation. Here you have to only apply your brain and see what is wrong here. This is wrong. This calculation is wrong. This calculation is wrong. We have to just understand what is wrong. See, mathematics is not for becoming efficient in arithmetic. Greeks, you know, in the times of Pythagoras, there were 2 kinds of mathematicians. One kind of mathematicians were traders. You know, they were selling things to somebody. You sell to somebody, he will give you some money. You will take account. Okay, he has given me 20 days. I am doing this. So they were using mathematics. And you know, nobody respected them. They are just users. But the mathematicians, they were doing this kind of problems. They were thinking how big the circle is, what is the ratio of diameter to circumference, how the circle has to be constructed, how weak I can make a triangle using a compass and this. They were arithmeticians. And others, you know what they used to call them? Logicians. They were just using mathematical numbers. So we don't want to be arithmetic experts. We want to become thinkers in mathematics. So this kind of problem is just thinking problem or nothing. Don't think that it is any grade 1 kid can do it, but we have to find what is fault here. That's all. So the 50 dirham I had given to Samir. And I have written this. There is a stupidity here that I have done. You just find me what stupidity is. He pays me 20. I write 20 received. How much he has to give? 20, 50 I gave him. So 30 he will give me more. So I write 30 here. 30 pending. Now he comes. He gives me 18. I write, okay, 18 he gave, 20 he gave before. 38. So 12 he has to give me more. I write 12 here. Then he comes, he gives me 3. I say, okay, how much I received? 20, 38 and 3, 41 he has given. 9 he will give me more. I wait for this 9. Then he comes, he gives me 9. I say, finish, no problem. Here I add how much he gave me? 20, 18, 3 and 9, it is 50. So he gave me 50. But the problem is now, when I calculate how much he had to give me, it is here. He had to give me 30 here, 12 here, 9 here, and 0 here. It is 51. Why 51? Why? Is this the right way to do calculation? Because here you see this pending. This is wrong. Okay. Why this is wrong is because this method of writing is wrong. Actually, if we change it like this, suppose now you see, same calculation in a different way. I gave him 50 dirhams, okay? Now he returns me how? Return you forget. How much is returned? That is all you calculate. Pending you should forget, not like this. This is a wrong method. Now we see. It is going to be fun. He paid me 10. I gave 50. Suppose another situation, third situation we are talking. I gave him 50 to somebody. He comes and gives me how much? 10. Now what I will write here? In my stupid way, I will write 10 here. And how much is pending? 40 is pending. So why should I count the pending? I should only count the what I have received. Counting should never be added. Don't beat yourself. I have done that myself enough. On your behalf, on my own behalf, I was saying, my goodness, कितना बड़ा गधा हूं मैं. ये देखो pending को कोड नोट कर रहा है. This should not be noted. So see, suppose he gave me 10 return, I will write 10 here. Pending how much? 40 dena hai abhi. Okay, 40 right. Now he comes, gives me 5. Then how much is remaining? 10 and 5. 35. 35 or dena. Okay, fine. Now he returns 35. Nothing is pending, 0. Now here, the account is clear. You see, 10, 5, 35 is 50. So he gave me 50. My account is clear. But look here, how much pending thing is showing? 75. That means you will pay me 25 more. Look, he had to give me 40. He had to give me 35. 75? How it is possible? This is stupidity. This is. So there are many paradoxes, many questions based on this. You will find many questions. I will bring one to you maybe sometime. Where the missing dinar goes, where the missing dirham goes, where the missing rupee goes, like this. So whatever we receive, we should write, and not that what is pending. When we count that way, this is wrong accounting practice. This is not a good practice for this problem came because of wrong accounting practice. Okay, so is this clear? There is no arithmetic here. It is kind of a riddle, but it exposes the limitations of our thinking, because we are thinking only within that line. So what we are doing not, you will become one day, maybe you will become a football player, maybe you will become a musician, maybe one day you will become a professor of, maybe you are a mathematician and you win Nobel Prize in literature.
Sir,
but mathematics will not leave you.
Sir?
So this way, mathematics is always useful to you.
Sir?
Yes, tell me.
आपने
Yes,
मुझसे
go ahead,
पहले
tell me.
आपने पहले
Okay, this is one thing. So so the key here is, don't limit yourself to conventional way of thinking. Okay, we are not here to just hunt for the answers. We are here to look at the mathematics in a different way and really do mathematics. Okay, I will show you one more puzzling thing, and you would say, "Ye kaun sa mathematics hua bhai? Ye kaise ho gaya?" Okay, because I want you to start thinking about numbers. Okay, I will show you the screen and you say. There is a story somewhere where, somebody writes that you can write numbers from 1 to 10, and he even claims that you can write any number in terms of 4. Okay. Now, you see how we write it. Can you write 1 in terms of 4? Using fours, two fours, 4 and 4. Can you write 1 using 4 and 4? Yes, you can. Easy. You use only the mathematic operations. 4 and 4, you make it 1. How do you make it 1? Very simple. Anything divided by itself is 1.
4 divided
Right?
4. 4 divided 4.
Okay. So
4
4 divided by 4 is 1. Correct. So we make 1. So today what we are going to do, we are going to use 4 fours and we will make numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. We will make a clock, a different kind of clock. Okay. So I will show you the clock and you start adding to it. 1 minute, huh? Just it is going to be fun and we will start thinking about numbers in a different way. I will also explain what exactly I mean by this. See here 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this conventional way, like we have a clock face. What I want to make a different, unique clock. What I say, mathematics clock. When I say 1, I will remove 1 here and write 44 divided by 44. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Or we could also write 4 divided by 4. That also 1. Now, can you do it with the 2? How we can do it with the 2? Using 4s. Only using 4
2
or
divided by 1.
44. We can't use 2. We have to get 2 as a result, but we can't use 2. Like if we have to generate 0, then we can generate 0 as, see, if we generate 0, then 4 minus 4 is 0, right? Okay, done. Or 44 minus 44 is 0. So 40, we have created 0. We have created 1 also. We say
8
4
divided by
4 is
4.
equal to 1.
8 divided by 4, sir.
We can't use 8. We can only use 4 and 44. Only 4 and 44. Okay, forget it. No problem. What is 4 made of? 2 into 2. Right? 4 is made of 2 into 2. So 2 is what? Is square root of 4. So this makes 2. Is it okay? Square root of 2. Or here I have used 4. Huh? Can you create 2 with 44? You can create 44 divided by 44 plus 44 divided by 44 is equal to 2. Is it right or not? Make a clock like this. Anybody comes to your home, they would not know the time. Okay, now we make the same thing with 4. 4 divided by 4 plus 4 divided by 4 is equal to 2.
Excuse
So
me,
we put
sir.
2 here.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, okay.
Sir, I have a question. You said 44 by 44 plus 44 by 44. First thing first, you will divide both of them and then add the leftover, right, sir?
1, 1. 44 divided by 44 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
Here,
But what if we do 44 plus 44 plus divided by 44 plus 44, which is 88 by 88, which is equal to 1. Then how is it equal to 2?
you can do many ways. You write all your answers and send to me. I will see. No problem. If you have any alternative number, you can write. We will see. There could be many ways of writing it. No big deal. Now, how do we make 3 using 4? Okay, can we make 3? Okay. Can we make 3 using 4s? Now we have to make 3 using 4s only. 4.
I think I know. 4.
Is there any idea now?
Yes.
You are getting an idea how to.
Sir,
Go ahead, tell me.
4.4 plus 4.4 plus 4.4.
Yes, that also is possible. Or simply
And
4
also
plus
it
4
would
plus
be
4
one.
divided by 4 is 3. Yes. Okay, so here it go. If we have created this also, we will remove 3 and we will write here. What we will write? 4 plus 4 or here we will write 1, 2. Now it is 3. In place of it, we will write 4 plus 4 plus 4 divided by 4. Or there is one more way to write it. Square root of 4 plus divided by square root of 4. That is 2 divided by 2. It is 1 plus square root of 4. That is
Sir,
also
I
3.
haven't actually learned square root. I'm in class 3.
No big deal. But you can use addition. In fact, square root is nothing but if you multiply a number by itself. If you say 2 multiply 2 is 4, then 2 is the square root of 4. That way. I will cover square root some other time. Okay, no big deal. But for now, you see, if 2 and 2 are making 4, then 2 is the square root of 4. It is just nomenclature. A lot of nomenclature is there in mathematics. So this makes 4. But do I have to do anything with 4? Oh, no problem. It is 4 itself. So that takes care of it. 4 is done. Or 4 plus 0 is 4. But we cannot use 0. So we will write 4 plus 4 minus 4. That way we can write maybe. 4 plus 4 minus 4. That also you can write to make 4. Now, how do we make 5? Making 5 is.
I know.
Yes,
I think
making
I know,
5.
Sir, I think I know.
Okay. You write in chat. Yeah, okay, send me. Tell me how we make 5. Any idea?
You do 4 divided by 4 and then then you do 4 divided by 4 plus 1.
4 divided by 4. Yes. It is 1.
Plus 4.
No, plus 1.
1 plus 4. Yes, you are right. 4 divided by 4 plus 1. That is perfectly all right. Yes, possible. 4 divided by, we will write here 4 divided by 4 plus 4. That makes it 5. Perfect. This is the way. Have you ever thought of mathematics this way before? We never had to. Nobody would allow us to do it. They would say, why are you thinking like this? It is crazy. Okay, so 5 is done. There is another way also for writing 5. 4 into 4, 16 plus 4, 20 divided by 4. This makes it 5. Now we are on to 6. 6. Now 6, how we make 6? Making 6. That is it simple? Maybe. We will see. I will wait for a while for any of you if they can come up with it. I was thinking of posting it in WhatsApp. But I think the mobiles are with your parents, so kids don't get to see the WhatsApp messages.
Sir, I know.
Sir, I think I know, sir.
Okay, one by one, please. Okay. Nidhi and the other person is? Okay, one by one you please say. Nidhi, you say what your idea is, then the other person can say.
Okay,
Okay, Harjesh, just hold on, one by one, huh? Okay.
So
What do you say?
4 plus the square
4.
root of 4.
Perfect. Now, Harjesh, what is your idea? Nidhi, your idea is good. Yes, we will write. Harjesh, now you please tell me now.
My idea was
Please write. Now, Harjesh, you are right. Yes,
my idea was 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4.
Yes.
4 plus 4.
This is 8.
This is 8. अब ब्रैकेट में लिखना है 4 minus 4
Okay. Yes.
plus 4 minus 4.
4 plus 4 मतलब ये हो गया 8. आगे क्या करना चाहते हैं?
और करना चाहते हैं ब्रैकेट में आप लिखिए ब्रैकेट में
Okay, write it to me.
हमने क्या सोचा नीचे करा हुआ
Okay, no problem, no problem. Write it in a chat, we will see. So 6 is taken care of. Or you can say 8 divided by 4 plus 4. You make 8. 8 means, I think Harjas, what he is saying is, make 8 divide by 4. You see, 4 plus 4. This is what I think Harjas is saying. 4 plus 4 divided by 4. Now make bracket here. So this is 2. And then add 4 here. Is this what? Harjas यही कह रहे थे? 4 plus 4, हाँ? 8 बन गया, हाफ हो जाएगा, उसमें 4 और ऐड कर दो. 4 plus 4 by 4, this is 2 plus 4. That way.
Yes.
Okay, so now we go on to 7. Okay, now we go on to 7. How can we make 7 using this? You can use 4, you can use 44, whatever way. You already know how to make 6, huh? You are very close now.
Can I
What
see, sir?
you see, take 1 from here. 1, what I will do? I will take 1 from here. 3 from here. And you get the rest of the idea. Now I will not do much work. I will take 1 from here. Okay. Take 1, take 3, take 4. 1 is already we have 4 by 4.
सर मेरे पास एक और आइडिया थी
One.
बनाने के लिए. 6.
Okay. आप उसको लिख के भेजिए, because now we have to conclude this one. So you have this 4. Okay. Now where is the camera? Okay. Now we have this 4. Take 1, take 2, 3 हो गया. Now we say 4 by 4 is 1. Then take 1, 2 plus square root of 4. यहाँ से 2 आ गया. Then you take 3 from here. Simple. Then it becomes 7 for you. 4 add here. So 4, 1 and 2. Is it okay? 4 plus 4 by 4 is 1, 5 and square root of 4.
Sir, we can also do 44 divided by 4 minus 4.
44 divided, बिल्कुल सही है, बिल्कुल सही है. Then you can make 4 and 44, correct? You are right. This is, there are many various ways. These exercises are basically to make you start thinking about numbers in a non-conventional way. This is the only exercise. You are very right. This is possible. So we will write 44 divided by 4. It generates 11 for us, and then we may deduct 4 and it gives us 7. Okay, so we have run out of space here, so we will do 8 here. Now 8 44 divided by 4 minus 4 is equal to 7. Now 8, we have to make 8
4 plus 4.
using 4. Very good.
Sir,
What is
actually
there?
the 44 divided by 4 plus 4.
44 divided by 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 कहाँ से हो जाएगा भाई? माइनस करना पड़ेगा तो 7 आएगा. 8 चाहिए आपको. 8 करना है. 8 के लिए चाहिए ना हमको. तो सही है ना. 4 plus 4 कितना आसान है. 4 plus 4 नहीं चलेगा. You want to make it more complex? You can make it more complex also. Yes, this is the game. Play.
Sir, I got it.
You can make it 4 plus 4
Sir, I got
something.
it. Sir, excuse me, sir.
बोलिए.
44 into 2. 44 into 2
Yes.
divided by 11.
But we cannot use 2 here. This is the problem.
Sir, मुझे 8
Yes.
4
And then 9.
4 minus 4
Yes.
4 plus
Okay,
4.
you make the clocks and we will see in WhatsApp group. We will see.
4 minus 4 plus 4.
We will make a huge clock. Okay, now 9. Can you think about 9 now? What 9 would be? Using 4. Now the things are very easy. 4 is already there. 1 is already there. So we can make 9 out of it. 4 and 5 we will pick and make 9. Right?
बताओ कैसे? सर वो बोले थे याद करो. मैंने क्या करा है? 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 और क्या बोलते हैं इसको? 4 plus 4 and 4 plus 4 plus bracket में 4 divided by 4.
Yes, very good. आप ऐसा करिए, इसकी एक वो बनाइए और then everybody you load it onto the Facebook. So what he is saying, I think he is saying 8 बना के उसमें 9 ऐड कर दो. 4 plus 4 plus 4 divided by 4 को ब्रैकेट में डाल दो. So 4 plus 4 is 8 and 9. This is what Harjas is thinking, I think.
Yes sir,
Now
मैं
10.
यही कह रहा हूँ.
हाँ, 4 plus 4 ब्रैकेट में आ गया वो, क्योंकि it has to be separated from here, so we make it 4 and 4 8 and 1 4 plus 4 8 and 1 9 is here. Now we want 10. We need a full clock face, huh?
Sir, for 10,
Yes,
4 plus 4 plus square root of 4.
that is perfect. 4 plus 4 8 plus square root of 4, that is 10. Now what is 11? And 10, can we make it by 44? 10, if you make 44 minus 4, divide by 4, then also you can make 10, right? This is 10. Now 11. 11 and 12.
Sir, 44
11 is more
divided by
simple. We just use it.
44 divided by 44 divided by 4.
बिल्कुल सही. Very right, Arjas. बिल्कुल सही. 11 is done. Now we come to 12, the last part. 12 is very simple for you all. You know it, how to do it, right?
4
Using 4.
4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus
Yes,
4
and
plus 4.
4 plus
अच्छा
4 plus 4.
44 से कैसे बनाए फिर? 44 से
4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4
and 44
plus 4.
से and 44 से. Very good. ये हो गया. 4
4
वाला
plus
हो
4.
गया. Just one idea. 44 वाला सोचो कैसे बनेगा? 44 plus or minus, how do we do it?
Sir,
Get
I've been
12 out of 44.
thinking. Sir, what does brackets do?
Kabir, yes. Maybe many learners don't know how brackets behave and advanced level of operation works. I take many things for granted. Yes, very rightly, very good. Thank you, Kabir, for telling me this. Yes, because if you let me know, then I will understand what limitations you are facing. Yes, you are right. Because you know what happens, when I teach
Sir, I
Shashwat,
didn't say
this
anything.
order of
I was muted for
Okay.
most of the time. I didn't say anything.
No, it is not muted now. Everybody is talking now. Can you hear me? Are you able to hear me, Kabir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. I understand your problem. When you say brackets, how do they work? What we will do, it is called level of operations. You know, like we have a sequence of events, then we separate many arithmetic operation by brackets. We will take a separate class for this. Okay, sure, promise. We will do it. Many a times what happens, I take these things for granted because whatever I am telling you, this I have told Shashwat before. I will do now. I will modify my practice. I will see if you are not understanding. We will do brackets again. Brackets we did 2 years before with Shashwat.
I wasn't there 2 years ago.
Yeah.
This class,
you have to be with
Sir
my-
has never
Yes.
started
You
this class
come-
2 years ago. He started it some days ago.
No. Yes, that was in my home, but we keep doing a lot of things. We do many things that kids don't do at all. Many kind of mathematics we do, many big You know, we don't learn linearly. We don't think that grade 2 you should be doing only this, grade 3 you should. Now see, Kabir, what are you doing? Are you doing a grade 2 stuff? No, we are doing much higher stuff. This is what we will do. If you don't understand anything, don't worry. I will cover that in later class. Don't worry. Thank you for pointing it. Huh? I will definitely cover it. And you will understand in half an hour.
One thing, please tell your son stop chatting. He's just talking to everyone.
This guy is crazy. I ask him, Kabir, I ask him, come to the class here. And what he does, goes to the back bench, last bench of the class where I can't see him. And he know I will not thrash him. I will not slap him. I will not say anything to him. This is the problem. We stop chatting by and come with your equipment. We will explain what we are going to do tomorrow. He has one experiment lined up for you all. Abhi, aa jao. Okay, so this 12 clock face is done.
Yes.
Okay, this is some fun mathematics. Basically, I wanted to tell you what all is possible with numbers when you start thinking about it different. You are chatting in the class? Look here, now I have grabbed him. You are chatting in the class, yes. And everybody is saying you are chatting, and you are not paying any attention.
I am paying.
Arey bhai, where is, you have to help me also, some little thing. Okay.
Everybody is chatting, that's why I am chatting.
No problem, that is fine. Okay, so this bracket thing we will take care of. I will leave you with one question. Okay, then we will leave this one. And Harjas, you were saying yesterday about the camel thing. What you said was absolutely right. ये one camel आया कहाँ से? With if I add all the columns, there is something less, and the father has not accounted for it. You were very right, because when we were talking, I missed it. When I replayed the video,
Sir, I told everyone rather throw
right.
half of the camels in the jungle.
No, that is not an option. This is what Harjas wrote to me. He said, if you add all the digits, still it is not one. This is why one camel is extra. He wrote everything right. Very good, Harjas. This is the kind of thinking you have to develop. Very good. You are going great guns. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Now what we will do is for tomorrow. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Kabir. Okay,
when I don't say anything, you think I'm telling you and others are saying it.
Don't worry about it. Okay. So tomorrow, say, we have done mathematics today. Tomorrow we will do some other kind of math. One more thing we will do. Tomorrow we want to bring you one experiment.
Yes.
Okay, and I want your ideas for that. Okay, if you wish, we will bring that experiment to you. Come, show them what exactly you have in mind. And this is, the crazy idea of not mine, my son here, Shashwat, show them what exactly you want. I will explain to them little. See, you buy bottled water, you get water from the tap. Say you have this water. This is sold in UAE, we call it Arwa. This is one water. Now this is one bottle. It is My Dubai. So yesterday we went out and bought all the water bottles. We bought 5 water bottles. Now it is Nestle. In India and in Oman, everywhere different water bottles are sold. Now we want to know how to compare the water. This water, how it is different from this water. How this water is different from this water. How these 3 are different from this. Now my answer will help me. Now this is different. Now this is different. And then I go take the water from the washroom. Why we don't drink water from the washroom? Municipality water, that is another. But how do you know? We want to check the water quality of all of this. And where I will check it? You know the instrument? This guy, come on. He will test all this. He will drink water from the tap. He will drink water from this. He will drink water from this and tell us the taste. Okay, tasting done. You know, one bottle tastes different. You may also have seen one water tastes different, one quality tastes different, one quality tastes different. But how else we know the water quality? There are three parameters in water. One is the water is acidic or alkaline. You know, many a times you feel. And second quality is how much in the water, how much is the solid parts in 1 million. So that is second thing that we check. We have an instrument to check all this. Do you want to see that experiment?
Yes.
We can take this water and check its quality.
Yes.
Okay, the parameters are three parameters we will check. One is if you take any water bottle, read here, it will show, you see here, you write, you see what is written, pH 8. There is a significance for this. This is why this water bottle seller has chosen to write it here, pH 8. The pH is how the water is acidic or alkaline. How to say acidic? Like, you know, the orange or lemon. This is acidic. If you add water, lemon to it, it becomes acidic. But if you add soap to it, it becomes alkaline. So in school, you may have heard about litmus paper test. You have heard about litmus paper? There is a paper, a small paper, you dip it in acid, it becomes different color. And if you dip it in alkaline, it becomes different color. Okay, tomorrow I will show you litmus paper also. No problem. If you order on Amazon, it is only 2 dirhams. I bought for Shashwat when he was going to nursery. That small kit. There are small sheets. And what we used to do, wherever we were going, we had one in our pocket. We will drink juice, we will dip it there and say it is acidic or alkaline. He didn't know what is acidic, what is alkaline. He just fell in love with that. He would just see the color. Is it red or is it blue? Is it green? So that way we
Sir, is he going to drink
thinking.
all types of water?
No. Yesterday we did some experiment, and when he tasted the tap water, he was throwing up. We took water from, you know, the kitchen where we wash our utensils. He took one glassful and he couldn't drink it. Oh, Yuvraj hain, kam thode hai ye. He drinks only this kind of water. So tomorrow, if you wish, we will do this. Abhi aao and bring that instrument also.
Sir,
उससे कहीं भी check कर सकते हैं ना.
there
is only one criteria. Not where is the pH meter? Bring it. No, taste is only one criteria. Taste is not the scientific criteria for it, because you may feel something different, I may feel something. This is not a scientific basis. Scientific basis is this value, pH 8. If you take a distilled water, this is an instrument that we are going to use. This instrument we have bought for this purpose. I bought it some 2 months back, and we keep checking everything. Yesterday we came upon this idea, why not show it to our little friends? This is the instrument.
What does it do?
How we check? It checks the quality of water.
Nice.
How this water is different from this.
I want to see.
Yesterday we did this experiment. Yesterday night we were doing this. Then we were halfway through it, and then I thought, why not do it with our class? It took some half an hour. See, we took one cup, there we put neem leaves.
USCM. USCM means its conductivity.
Yes.
And there is parts per million. How many solid parts? It's per million. It will check from here. This is it.
And because of solid parts, what happens? If you take the dirty water from the gutter, will there be more solid parts in it?
Yes, there would be.
Okay, so when they make bottled water, they take solid parts out of it.
You have to filter
Okay.
Filter, but So sodium and there are things that they should be in there.
Okay.
So parts per million 100 is normal. There's
Yes, बेटा, tell me. Yes, yes.
सर जो
बोलो.
सर जो क्या बोलते हैं ये जो मशीन है ना ये मैंने छोटी मेरे पास पड़ी हुई है ये वाली मशीन मेरे पास छोटी साइज में है वो व्हाइट कलर की है
जी हाँ, जी हाँ,
तो पड़ी हुई
जी,
है
जी.
ये वाली मशीन
and its cap
हाँ.
is 7.
Okay.
जब हमारा वाटर फिल्टर से आपका पानी का टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं आता है ना तो मैं उससे चेक करता
जी,
हूँ
जी,
कि
जी,
वो
जी.
पार्ट पर मिलियन कितना है
जी 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 बिल्कुल. तो वही ये करना चाहते हैं कि ये सारे पानी में ऐसे पानी लेकर के then we will dip it and check how much. Now you see here the pH value is this much and if we put it in a tap water it will be different. So it is when it is showing 7 point something that means it is more than 7 like that. So this is how we check and we can check. Yesterday what we did was we put a neem leaf and checked it. This was the value and taste value was 10.
But which one you just showed it is
Yes.
what is that tap
Which water
We
it is?
drink thermal water.
Tap water, yes. Yeah, the same way. So tomorrow we will try to do this experiment if Shashwat is in mood and Shashwat wakes up on time. This is the problem. Okay, so we will say our goodbyes. This is 1 hour and today I have not taken
1
anything.
hour and
25 seconds.
25
See how beautifully I have
1
managed
hour
the
and
class today.
65 seconds.
Cool, that's
Yes.
pretty cool. Okay.
Absolutely, बिल्कुल टाइम से जाना टाइम से आना सब काम परफेक्ट करा है आज मैंने.
Okay, so let's.
शाबाशी तो दे दो मुझे.
Good. That's good. But you are finishing at the wrong time. Let the time finish first. 1 second. And there you go. 1 hour finish.
Okay. Good. This is good. So tomorrow we will try to do this experiment, and then we are making many other science experiments for you. About tomorrow we will see this experiment is one, but tomorrow we will try to do that digit some checking part of it also. Okay? Yeah, we will check how to check your answer. We will visit again that one. How to check your answers. That one we will do again because that is pending from last session. Okay, so thank you very much, my friends. Hope you liked today's session. And if you have any suggestion or anything,
Bye,
just
sir.
keep watching the WhatsApp group. In WhatsApp group, I post all the other questions also, not only this, and we will be in touch. Okay, thank you, my friends. Thank you very much. Bye. See ya.
Bye, sir.
Class 24 hours. No, कितने घंटे बाद होगी अब क्लास? 24 hours?
Syed, do you play asphalt?
1 hour.
Bye.
No. When the class will be? Now. 24 hours or 22 hours or 23 hours? सही बोल रहे हो, सही कह रहे हो, 23 hours में होगी भाई.
23 hours बाद.
बिल्कुल. See you after 23 hours. See you after 23 hours. See the jumping jack behind me.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Okay, bye, friends. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.